Hello students, myself is Parminder Singh from Prab Kripa classes. Our today's topic is linear equations in two variables. Earlier to this, we have already uploaded the course on linear equations in one variable. Variable means x or y, a, b or anything else. That is any number, any alphabet can be the variable. So we had learnt earlier that in the case of linear equations in single variable, there is only one variable. And when we find out the value of variable, it is only single. That is, the value of variable may be 5, 2, 1. That is, the value of variable is unique. It does not go on changing. If x is written as 5, it will remain 5. If y is written as the value of y is 6, it will remain 6. But in the case of linear equations in two variables, there are two variables. It may be x or y, or it may be p or q, or it may be y or z, or anything else. So when in the case of linear equations in two variables are involved. When the value of one variable changes, the value of other variable also changes accordingly, so that the equation is proper. That is, the left hand side is equal to right hand side. So when in the case of linear equation in one variable, there was only one unique solution for the equation. That is, there was only one answer for the variable. But in the case of linear equation in two variables, there are infinite number of solutions. After going through this course, the students will understand that any equation which can be put in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a and b are not both 0, is called a linear equation in two variables. Here it is to be also noted that the highest power of x and y, here x and y, is only 1, and the number which is multiplied, that is, here it is a and b, which is multiplied with the variable, that is x or y, is called coefficient. Here in this equation, a and b are coefficient and c is constant. The geometrical or graphical representation of linear equation in two variables is a straight line. The solution of a linear equation is not affected when the same number is added or subtracted from both the sides of the equation. Suppose we have an equation 5x plus 3y is equal to 5. It means that if we suppose add 5 on both sides, it does not make any difference. If we subtract 5, same number, from both sides, it also does not make any difference. If we also divide both the sides by the same number, it does not make any difference. Or if we divide, say, it by 6, both the sides by 6, it does not make any difference. If we multiply both the sides with the same number, say 1 over 2, this side also 1 over 2, it also does not make any difference. That is, if we subtract, divide, multiply or add left hand side and right hand side with the same number, it does not make any difference to the linear equation in two variables. Now we will understand this concept with the help of an example. Suppose there are two countries India and Australia, which are playing a cricket match. Suppose it is the turn of Australia, and here there are two players, say Ramesh and Rahul, and they jointly play the match for Australia, and both of them jointly make or jointly obtain 167 runs. We do not know how much run has been obtained by Rahul, how much runs have been obtained by Ramesh. That is, the total runs are 176. Let us assume that the runs obtained by one Ramesh is X and the runs obtained by Rahul are Y. So, what is the total? We can say that X plus Y is equal to 176. That is the runs obtained by Ramesh when added with the runs obtained by Rahul. The sum up is the 176 runs. So this is the linear equation in two variables. We can also write it as x plus y minus 176 is equal to 0. That is 176 minus 176 is equal to 0. So here this or this is the linear equation in two variables. Here this one or this one, here this one up to this, or here this. It is the linear equation in two variables. Here x and y are variables and this is constant. A linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions, as already discussed or as already discussed in our earlier course. In linear variables, in on linear equations in one variable, we had discussed that one variable has only one solution when linear equation has only one variable. But when the linear equation has two variables, the solutions are infinite. That is, there are many solutions for the given equation. So now let us consider the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 12 to understand this concept more in detail. Suppose we here let assume x is equal to 2. So what is the, we assume y is equal to 3. What it comes, let us fill it in the equation. Then it becomes 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3. What is the answer? 2 into 2, 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. So here 2, 3 is not a solution for the given equation. However, if we take, here we take x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 4. So now what is the situation? It comes 2 into 0 plus 3 into 4. So here it becomes 0 plus 12. So here 12 comes. So here the solutions are 0, 4. Here it is the correct solution. Now we take the other example. Suppose we take x is equal to 6, y is equal to 0. So now what will happen? We will fill in the value in this left hand side. 2 into 6 plus 3 into 0. 3 into 0 becomes 0. So it becomes 12 plus 0. It becomes 12. So what is the possible solution? 6 dash 0. We take another example. We go finding out what is the likely solution. So here we take x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. So what will become? 2 into 3 plus 3 into 2, that is 6 plus 6, that is equal to 12. That is left hand side will become equal to right hand side. So another possible solution is 3 dash 2. So you can observe that there are many possible solutions for the given equation. That is, we have find out 0, 4, 0, 4, 6, 0 and 3, 2. So you can from here observe that there are infinite solutions in the case of linear equations in two variables, because as we change the value of x, the value of y also changes. But it has to be ensured that while finding the solution, it has to be ensured that the left hand side comes equal to the right hand side. That is, the value of x and y should be accordingly chosen, or should be such that the left hand side becomes equal to the right hand side, and this becomes the possible solution for the given equation. That is, we are to simply find the value of x and y which fits into the equation properly. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.